Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss location of the day friends, right? Location of the day, which is most important for UPSC prelims plus geography optional friends, right? Geography mains optional friends, right? It is important for 2021 and various other kind of examinations friends, right? So let us get started friends. You can call me on this following number, that is 9640123412, for any personal guidance or doubts regarding the topics, right friends? So let us get started without getting any delay. So today's our topic is Armenia versus Azerbaijan. What is the conflict, why the conflict has been arisen, and what kind of issues is going on right now on this location, right friends? So in this we are going to see first of all location of the Armenia, right, and location of the Azerbaijan as well friends, right? First of all we will see locations of Armenia and Azerbaijan. Second thing, what is the conflict, what is the issue regarding this, right friends? Third thing, what kind of questions will be asked in UPSC prelims as well as UPSC mains and geography optional friends, right? Geography optional. So in this perspective we will discuss about it, right friends? So first of all let me show you the map of Armenia and Azerbaijan and what was the location, right? So you can see here this friends. So this region is totally belong to Armenia, right? In UPSC mains geography optional you can draw in these rough sketch friends, right? No need to be intelligence in this drawing friends, right? So I hope you got it. So this region is Armenia and this region is Azerbaijan, right? So now the conflict zone between these two, that is Armenia and Azerbaijan, is Nagorno-Karabakh, right friends? Nagorno-Karabakh region, right? So what the issue is, we will see here. This region is disputed between Armenia and Azerbaijan, right friends? And around 100 civilians and Armenian combatants has been died, right friends? So what actually the Nagorno-Karabakh region is? So the region is internationally recognized as part of the Azerbaijan, right? Internationally it is recognized as a part of the Azerbaijan, but most of the region is controlled by the Armenian separatists, right friends? Most of the region is controlled by the Armenian separatists. So this is the region between the Armenian and Azerbaijan. Now let us see what was the other issues. So here this region is part of the Azerbaijan actually friends, right? This region is part of the Azerbaijan territory since the Soviet era, right friends? Soviet era. But since the beginning of the collapse in the late 1980s, that is Soviet Union has been collapsed in 1980s, from then Armenia region parliament voted for the region transfer to Armenia, right friends? Armenia's regional parliament voted to regions transfer to the Armenia. That means this parliament has been supported for the Armenians shift, right friends? The Soviet authorities turned down the demand, but what the Soviet Union has done, that is it has been degraded it has been turned down the demand of this Armenia, right friends? Here when the area remains in Azerbaijan, it is today governed by the separatist Armenian, who has declared it republic called the Nagorno-Karabakh Autonomous Oblast. Oblast means is nothing but, the meaning of oblast is an area friends, right? An area, conflict area, right friends? An area. So the meaning of oblast is area. While the Armenian government does not recognize Nagorno-Karabakh as independent, it supports the region politically and militarily. So this is the conflict friends, right? This is the core concept between the Azerbaijan and Armenia, right friends? Now let us see the borders of the Armenia, friends, right? Now Armenia is located in the south of the Caucasus Mountains, Caucasus Mountains, friends, right? The region, southwest region of it is like southwest of the Russia, between Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. Between here it is your Black Sea and the Caspian Sea, friends, right? Now the regions of the Armenia are, the borders of the Armenia are Georgia, Azerbaijan, right friends, Azerbaijan, Iran, next is Turkey. So how to remember this all kind of borders regarding the Armenia? The simple trick is remember Gita, right friends? Remember this Gita. If you remember the word Gita, you will get all kind of borders related to Armenia, right friends? So here it is your Armenia, friends. I hope you can see this, right? So this is your Armenia. Now let us come to the borders of this. First border is Azerbaijan. Second, this part is also related to Azerbaijan itself, friends, right? So first is Azerbaijan, second is Iran, third one is Turkey, and fourth one is Georgia, right friends? So in this way, so G for Georgia, I for Iran, T for Turkey, and A for Azerbaijan, right friends? So even if you can remember the Gita, it is well and good, or else you may remember geographical indication tag, friends, right? Geographical indication tag. So by these two tricks you can remember the borders of the Armenia, right? Next we see further about the Azerbaijan. So what are the bordering countries of Azerbaijan? We will see right now. So the borders of the Azerbaijan internationally has with the 5 states, that is 5 countries, right friends? The countries neighboring are Russia to the north, Georgia in the northwest, and Iran, Turkey, right friends? Iran, Turkey, Armenia, and it is bordered east Azerbaijan bordered by the Caspian Sea, which is classified as the largest lake, world's largest lake, and is closed sea, friends, right? So this part is called as world's largest lake and is a closed sea, that is Caspian Sea, friends, right? So even in UPSC the question may be asked in the following way, that is from which of the following, sorry friends, from the following options, which of the sea is the closest sea? So they will give 4 options, that is Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, and Yellow Sea. So in this format, then your answer should be Caspian Sea, friends, right? Next we see about borders of the Azerbaijan. So how to remember it? The simple trick is remember the word tragic, right friends? Remember the word tragic. So in tragic you will get all kind of states which are bordered by the Azerbaijan. So next we will see further borders one by one from now, right? First border is Russia, second is Georgia, third one is Armenia, fourth one is Iran, and fifth one is Caspian Sea, right friends? So here there are 5, friends, right? So let me check once again. So you can see here T for Turkey, right friends? Let me check this, friends, right? Right friends, so T is the part of this Azerbaijan, friends, right? So T is also bordered by the Azerbaijan. So now let us get into the trick. The first country is Turkey, second country is Russia, third country is Armenia, fourth country is Georgia, right? Fifth country is Iran, and sixth sea is, that is Caspian Sea, friends, right? So in this way you have to remember. The simple trick is remember the word tragic. You will get the all kind of borders in your mind, right friends? So here this is the border, this is your border friends, right? I hope you got it. Let me draw this clearly. Right friends, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment sections. By that I can solve your problems friends, right? And this part is also related to the Azerbaijan friends, right? So don't miss this part because Turkey is there in this region itself. So by this T stands for Turkey, that is first word, or else you will get confused, right friends? So next we see further friends here. So this is the closed map, that is closed map of Azerbaijan and Armenia. You can see this, pause the video and see this, and I hope this region is your Nagorno-Karabakh region friends, right? This region is Nagorno-Karabakh region, right? Next we see what are the stakes of the Russia and the other countries, how they are interested in these kind of conflicts, and what are the pros and cons of this friends, right? So next we will see here the conflict is getting worldwide attention friends, right? Because the involvement of the rivals such as Turkey and the Russia. Muslim majority Turkey backs Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan means this country friends, right? So the big nation which is supported by the Turkey, right friends? Muslim minority, right? So Turkey is backs Azerbaijan and recently condemned Christian majority Armenia for not resolving the issue through peaceful negotiations, right friends? So Turkey is supporting Azerbaijan, right? Next we see Turkey recently declared unconditional support to Muslim majority, that is Azerbaijan friends. The same point is repeated here. Next point is Russia's role is somewhat opaque friends, right? Why opaque? Why it was opaque? Because it will supply the arms for both the countries, that is Azerbaijan and Armenia. For this region, the role of the Russia is little bit opaque friends, right? And the military alliance with the Armenia called the Collective Security Treaty Organization has been made between Russia and the Armenia, right friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video friends. Please do like, share, comments, and press the notification bell friends, right? So for getting the continuous videos update in instant way, right friends? So that is it for this video friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Love you all. Thank you friends.